how to turn off marketplace email notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off marketplace email notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite, click these three lines here in the top corner and go down until you find settings and then notifications, and here you will find marketplace. Click on it and then just turn off email and go back. It will be saved, and that's how to turn it off. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.